Good morning mga ka-organics, at ngayon po ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magtanim ng ampalaya. May ano po ako dito, buto, kasi yung isang bunga po ay pinahinog ko po sa puno. Ito po oh. So ayan po, pag red na po, so kulay brown na po yung buto niya. Ito po oh. Pwede na nating itanim yan. So, para sa akin po, mas maganda na direct planting po tayo pag ampalaya. Para hindi na po magalaw yung kaniyang ugat. So, kukuha lang po tayo ng maraming buto. 1, 2, 3, 4. I-remove natin yung pulang balat. So, ayan na po. May 5 buto na kulay brown na. So, mature na po yan at pwede nang itanim. Oh no. Ito naman ay nauna kong itinanim at nilagyan ko ng kamuti tops na dahon at saka eggshells. 9 days later, ayan, nagsimula na pong magkaroon ng maraming dahon yung ating ampalaya. Ayan, may flowers na ang ampalaya.
Wow!
Magsisimula na pong gagapang ang ating ampalaya. Care tips. Number 1 is pruning. Remove the extra leaves and branches so that the nutrients will be distributed to the main branches and in preparation also for the flowering of the plant. Care tips. Number 2, apply organic materials through spraying the leaves and stems of the plant, especially after pruning. This is my 2-week-old ampalaya plant. Photo taken last February 11, 2021. This is now the 1-month-old ampalaya plant. Then I prune it, so I remove the leaves and the extra branches. Then I sprayed also with organic materials like rice water, fermented fruit juice, humus, and any plant juice or fruit juice. Tadan! So this is now our ampalaya plant after pruning. So the leaves now are growing and
amazing!
ampalaya plant have now male and female flowers. Care tips. Number 3. Hand pollination or cross pollination of male and female flowers. Kindly watch my full vlog about how to hand pollinate the ampalaya plant with the male and female flowers. This is the sample on how to hand pollinate the male and female flowers. Care tips. Number 4. Wrap or cover the baby fruit to protect them from fruit flies after the flower will close approximately 2 days after hand pollination. like this one, covered it with a bigger cellophane or plastic. After planting of ampalaya from seeds, these are now the fruits. Good morning mga ka-organic! At ngayon ay mag-harvest na naman tayo sa ating ampalaya. Ang dami na pong bunga. So, bago ako papasok sa trabaho, mag-harvest ako para ipamimigay ko sa pamilya ko doon sa intermedia, sa mama at papa ko at saka sa aking kapatid at sa aming pastor. Yan po. Ito po yung na-pollinate. Maliit lang siya. Medyo maliit lang. Yan. Tapos, ito. Yan. Malaki oh. Wow! Ayan po mga ka-organics, malaki po yung ampalaya. Ayan, dalawa na. At meron pa palang isa dito. Maliit lang po. Ayan. So, pwede na po to. Ayan po. So, 5 po yung na-harvest natin. Ayan po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.